This RE/MAX Select Property video is presented by Tracy Wisnett. Completely renovated 3-bedroom, 3-bath situated on the Woodbridge Golf Course at the number 6 tee box. Brand new white kitchen with granite countertops. All new stainless steel kitchen appliances will remain. Open floor plan with living room on main level and a wood-burning fireplace. Primary suite includes updated bath with double vanity and 3 closets. Saltwater pool with brand new liner. Covered dining/grilling area with aluminum fence surrounding. Perfect for outdoor entertainment. Enjoy lake views, golf views, and pond views. The work has been done. All new flooring, lighting, baths, kitchen, appliances, interior and exterior paint, and beautifully landscaped. Close proximity to Highway 74 and I-85, making it an easy commute to larger surrounding cities. You don't want to miss this one. For more information